2025 model Forest River Sunseeker LE 3250 bunk model. This has a one-piece crown fiberglass roof along with a fiberglass front cap on the overheads on the F450 Ford chassis with a 7.3 liter V8 gas engine. On the inside, you're going to have a sofa that will make to a bed. You also have the overhead bed, the dinette that makes to a bed, along with a 12-volt fridge in the kitchen, bunks for the kids. The bottom bunk makes to a bigger bed, and then the queen bed in the back.